What's good, everybody? Back at it again. That's why the cops is out. What's good, everybody? Back at it again. We outside. Feel me? About to hit another car meet. Feel me? Tired as hell. I'm tired as fuck, yo. See what I'm saying? You want to tell them about your maximum, man? Tell them.
That shit fast. Follow me on the gram.
That's all you want to tell them?
That's all I want to tell them.
The mods, man. The mods, man.
Oh, I got intake. I got nothing special.
Come on. Nothing special. Come on, my guy.
It's only been on fire once.
Who else shitting on you in Jersey right now?
Me? That's mad people in Jersey.
I'm talking about maximum wise. Fuck all that.
You shouldn't know about with this. Oh, where?
Cobalt gang.
Cobalt.
Tell them why you trying to sell the 3 series, bro.
The brakes, you're fucked. And everything breaks on this shit every single time.
How much you paid in maintenance so far, man?
Honestly, like 4K.
Since
5 months.
Oh God, sell this shit. Sell it.
Selling it, 6K.
Sell it. God damn it. IG, what's your IG, man?
Whiteboycav_,
If y'all want the M3, man, go follow whiteboycav_, man. Feel me? What year? Tell me what year, man.
2009.
Got you. With the butter interior, man. Come get it, 6K, man. Okay. Reppin' that Supreme Life. Box logo gang. Alright, man. Problem is I can't. 5-0 and 18s. Riding clean, sir. Riding clean. Woo.